So how to fix a frozen or unresponsive home screen on the iPhone. We're going to go ahead and show you here with an iPhone 16 Plus, but this should apply for any iPhone dating back to iPhone 8 actually. So the first method is if you're really stuck and frozen here, what we're going to go ahead and do is hit the volume up, we'll hit the volume down, and then we'll hold the side power button and just keep on holding it and keep on holding it. Just keep going. And eventually you're going to see this switch over to the Apple logo. Once the Apple logo appears on the screen, you're going to see we're going to release this right here, and then it should boot back into the phone. Now that's the extreme version. We're going to tell you a couple more tips if you're just getting some freeze ups here and there, and it's not just here totally frozen up when we get back in. Okay, so the next one is going to be to reset your settings. So we're going to go into settings here, go over to general, scroll all the way down until you see reset this iPhone. And what we're going to do is we're going to reset all settings. Now, do keep in mind that if you reset all settings, it could mess with the way your phone's working. So just take caution with that. But if you're really having a lot of freeze up issues, this could definitely help you out, as it might just need like a refresh of the settings to make everything run smoothly again. So that is a way that you could potentially fix, common freezing issues that are occurring. This next one is a major reason why the iPhone tends to become unresponsive. And I found this to be the case on pretty much all my older devices as they started to age, and that is high storage. So go over here to general, scroll under software update and go to iPhone storage and see where you're at. Now, typically I start getting unresponsive experience when it gets like within like 6 gigabytes, 5 gigabytes of being totally used up. So if I had 123, 124 out of 128 gigs used, I could potentially start seeing a few crashes or a few things close here and there, getting a little bit glitchy. It's because there's not enough onboard storage anymore to run the whole system smoothly. So you're not going to want to use your storage all the way close to the edge. That's really going to cause you to not have the best experience. So do manage your storage here and there. And if you do need a lot more, obviously go to a larger storage capacity or get more iCloud storage. So do keep an eye on that. That is a real issue that can cause unresponsive iPhones. Another tip I have is that if your phone is just kind of like unresponsive sometimes, but most of the time it's pretty smooth, but you've just been like, why is my phone just acting slow lately? Just give it a quick restart. Sometimes you just need to refresh your system. And I know some people say they never turn their phone off. So just do this once in a while. It definitely can keep things running a bit smoother. Also, if you've dropped it really hard recently in any specific locations, you might have some damage that occurred. And in that case, you're not going to be able to do anything software related to go ahead and fix that problem. So do keep that in mind. So at the end of the day, those are your options for stopping some of the freezing and some of the lagging. Now, if you're at a point where none of this is working, you might actually have to plug your iPhone into your Mac and go ahead and restore the software, which would cause potentially you to lose files if you didn't do prior backups. That's going to be the worst case scenario. So hopefully one of these areas has helped you out and solved your problem here in this video. Thank you for watching the more Nick Ackerman channel, and I'll catch you all in the next episode. Nick here. Be sure to be well, and peace.